In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a block in Notion. If you are new to Notion, everything you create lives inside a block: text, images, checklists, tables, headers, and more. Mastering blocks is the fastest way to build clean, flexible pages that are easy to update and move around. Let's start with the quickest way to add anything. Type /, then the block name. For example, type / in text to add a text block, or / in heading to add a header. You can also add checkboxes by typing / and to do, or checkbox, tables with / and table. And media like images, videos, or files with / and the item you want. As soon as you start typing after the /, Notion shows a menu you can search. Use the arrow keys to highlight what you want and press enter to insert it instantly. This keeps you focused and saves a lot of time hunting through menus. Once you've added a few blocks, rearranging them is simple. Hover to the left of any block to reveal the 6-dot handle. Then click and drag. A line shows you exactly where the block will land. Drop it to reorder content anywhere on the page. This is great for quickly restructuring notes, moving sections up or down, or grouping related items together without copying and pasting. If you change your mind about a block's type, you don't have to delete and recreate it. Click the same 6-dot icon and choose Turn Into. From there, you can convert plain text into a checklist, swap a subheading into a main headline, or even turn text into a page. Your content stays intact. You are just changing how it's displayed, which keeps your workflow smooth. To keep the same content synchronized across multiple places, use a synced block. Type / and sync, choose synced block, and place your content inside. You can copy and paste that synced block onto other pages. Whenever you edit one instance, every instance updates automatically. This is perfect for shared instructions, contact details, or a status note you want to appear consistently across a workspace. Finally, explore advanced blocks to structure your pages. Use the / menu to add callouts that highlight key points with an icon. Code blocks for cleanly formatted snippets. A table of contents that auto-generates from your headings and columns to create balanced layouts side by side. These options make long pages scannable and professional without extra effort. That's it. You now know how to add, rearrange, convert, sync, and enhance blocks in Notion. Practice these basics, and your pages will come together quickly and look great. Thanks for watching.